I'd like to discuss some additional formats for creating interactive experiences from content that you've generated here in 3ds Max or Viz. I'll go up to the File menu and open up the Export dialog again and just talk about some of the formats here in this drop-down. Near the bottom of the list you'll find Shockwave 3D. This format allows you to get your scene into Director, which is now owned by Adobe Systems. Formerly it was Macromedia Director. Director allows you to create a sophisticated presentation that includes the 3D scene, perhaps 2D plans or elevations that are integrated. And this can be designed into an interface that goes onto a DVD-ROM or on a kiosk, for example. You can also get Director content onto the internet. But to really master this requires advanced Director knowledge. Another option is this format right here, JSR 184. This allows you to get your scene onto a cell phone. Obviously this is more suited to the games industry, but I'm sure that some creative architectural visualization person could get some building information onto a cell phone. And there's actually a player that ships with 3ds Max called the M3G player, and it allows you to visualize the 3D model on these various screens of these phones. Look at that tiny screen. So it's not suitable for most kinds of complex models. An additional thought is that you can use a game engine to visualize your model, and this has been done for many years. People have successfully created architectural visualizations with the Unreal game engine, and now I see tutorials on the web for using the Oblivion game engine. This technique requires that first of all you own the game, and then usually an SDK or something that allows you to craft content for the game. It's possible to get your architecture into the game engine and display it there. The advantage is you'll have smooth motion, and you might be able to use game controller hardware to navigate through the scene very fluidly. The disadvantage of this approach is that in a game there are often visual reminders that you are in a game environment, such as an avatar or a head-up display or something like that, that might detract from the professional nature of the architectural visualization. There are third-party solutions that you can research on your own that provide this kind of advanced visualization capability. Finally, I'll leave you with the thought that there's some hardware you can actually buy that allows you to navigate through a scene more fluidly. There's something called the Space Navigator from 3D Connection, and it allows you to navigate in 3 dimensions at once by using this innovative input device. So check it out.